WGME News 13's Amy Sinclair explains why in tonight's Giving Maine Promise Report.
As a cabbie for Port City bike cabs, Chris Cross is a familiar face on the streets of Portland.
We basically offer people that don't feel like walking or enjoy different things than cars, a ride anywhere the choice on the peninsula.
Can I come in too?
What his passengers see, besides the back of his head, is a pleasant, hardworking young man. No doubt his story would surprise them.
My background, I skipped school a lot. I've been incarcerated, been on probation, but I've been off probation for over a year. I'm in a group home up on the Hill Roads.
As a repeat juvenile offender, Chris was heading towards a life of crime. What helped him turn things around is a program called Work Opportunities Unlimited.
Chris was probably a very angry and confused young man, but I saw a lot of potential in him.
We have hydraulic brakes in the back of these.
They helped Chris succeed by teaching him job skills and encouraging him to pursue his interests. That led him to a Portland bike shop.
I think the hub was the thing for Chris.
He was really interested in bicycles. He liked bike mechanics, and because of that, it just seemed like he would be a natural to be doing what we're doing.
Not only did Chris get into biking, he became an advocate for himself and the business. Just last spring, Chris took on City Hall and won. The old city ordinance required bike cabbies to be at least 18 years old. Chris, who was 17 at the time, knew he could do the job. So he stated his case to City Council, and they changed the ordinance. Of course, none of these changes would have taken place if Chris didn't want to change.
I like my freedom, so I decided just to stop getting in trouble, stop having police contact altogether.
Now, instead of being in trouble with the law, Chris is in charge of the seasonal business. And while he's not sure where he wants to go from here, he's clearly on the road to success. In Portland, Amy Sinclair, WGME News 13.